I'm Miss Mary Ann Jimenez Salvador, the Access Librarian for Undergraduate Programs of the Aklatang Emilio Aguinaldo Information Resource Center.
I am Ivy Joy Viray, Library Associate of Aklatang Emilio Aguinaldo Information Resource Center.
So as part of the servicing department of the university, the Aklatang Emilio Aguinaldo Information Resource Center realigned its services and programs to the DLSU-D care-centered model of teaching and learning. And to make our services more responsive and relevant to the current needs of our library patrons, we adopted the hybrid library service model.
One of the things that the library did was updating our website. Before, we have clients coming in to use and avail of our services and resources, but now we assist them virtually.
First, we intensify our communication and information system so that our library patrons can have different access on how to communicate with the library. So our communication channels include our DLSU-D email, which is aklatan@dlsud.edu.ph. We also utilize the social media platform like Facebook and Twitter.
And also, the library provides open attendance account to all faculty and enrolled students for them to access all the online resources and databases subscribed by the library even if they are in the comfort of their home. Though we are physically away, we are making sure that they could still feel the presence of the library as their partners in their academic endeavors.
The library website is our one-stop shop to the different services and resources of the library. We also embed live chat in our website. We name it EMIL. EMIL stands for Engaged Mobile Information Librarian.
One example is the book request for home use. They can borrow books from the library and this will be delivered to them via courier free of charge.
That is our role as access librarians. We make sure that the students can still avail of the printed collections. They can borrow, return, and renew borrowed books.
And if they have questions or inquiries, they could send message via chat, available on our website, Facebook Messenger, and through email.
And also, if you want to book a librarian, so if you want to have one-on-one tutorial with librarians, or if you want to have class online library training, so you just fill out the MS booking form found in the library website.
The library is their creative partners in the achievement of the university goal in teaching, learning, and research. Because DLSU-D cares for them, we care for them.
Soon, the library will adopt the Q-Line application for seat reservation in the library reading area. That is, if the students will be allowed to enter in campus.
How do I take care of myself during this pandemic? Well, I pray. I surrender everything to Him. I take my vitamins. I drink plenty of water.
I devise 4 Ks for self-care. One is keep healthy, keep learning, keep creating, and keep sharing.
I do make sure that I do things that would make me feel better and be happy. Even in simple ways like watching my favorite Korean series or funny vlogs. Smiling and laughing is good for us because it can reduce stress and it can even boost our immune system because that is the time that our body feel more relaxed. And also, it can make us look more attractive daw. So, yeah, that's how I take care of myself.
I eat nutritious and healthy foods because I'm a vegetarian, and we used to have a Bible sharing session with my nieces. And also, sometimes I used to do yoga sessions by watching YouTube. I love discovering things, so I keep on learning. That is why I'm attending various webinars, both about my passion and my profession. And I also keep on reading. And of course, as a visual artist, I keep on creating. not only for the self-care but also in preparation for our upcoming exhibit. So I do art quilt. I also do write for my journals.
So, and I'm grateful to the LSUD for giving us the self-care and me time. It only shows that they do care, not only to the clients, but for us employees as well.
I'm Marian Jimenez Salvador
I am Ivy Joy Viray.
in DLSUD.
We care for what matters.